Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cappuccino Assassino. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. We'll start with a curve across. Then on both sides, let's draw a line down, angling it in slightly. And then a curve across the bottom. Now underneath, we'll step in and let's draw another set of angles down, making these a little bit longer. Now underneath, let's draw a curve across that's slightly longer on the sides. Now let's angle it down again, and another curve across the bottom. Now underneath, we'll step in again and let's draw two more angles and close it off at the bottom. And then inside this bottom section, let's draw a line across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the face. Inside the large middle section, let's draw two circles for the eyes near the bottom. Now inside each one, let's draw another circle a little bit towards the center. And then another smaller circle inside at the top. And then let's color both of the pupils in black. Now on top of each of the eyes, let's add the eyebrows. We'll start with an angled line up. Then let's bring it up from both ends. And then close off the top with the curve. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to move up to the top section and let's draw a curve across at the top here. Then underneath, we're going to draw a large curved rectangle. Now inside this rectangle, let's draw a small circle inside each of the corners. And then in the center, let's draw the symbol by drawing a C-shaped curve, angle it up and down, and another angle in and up inside. Now from the top right, let's draw an angle up, and then a point down on the bottom left corner. Now on the right side of the body, we're going to draw the ends of the bandana by drawing two curves out, close it off at the end, and the same thing underneath. Next, let's hop to the top and let's add the lid. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw a curve out and bring it back down. Then on top, let's add another curve across and down like this. Now on top, let's step in and let's draw two lines up and a curve across. Now let's do the same thing again. Let's step in again and let's draw two lines up and another curve across the top. Now on the top right, let's draw a curve up Bring it over to the right and down. Then underneath, let's bring it back in and curve it down to the corner. And that's it for the lid. Now let's hop down and let's draw the arms. On the sides of the body, let's draw 2 curves down and out. Then at the ends, let's draw a larger curved rectangle underneath like this. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then a small curve down next to it. Now underneath the thumb, let's draw a curve down for the next finger. And then 2 curves up next to it. Now let's add the sword. Let's start next to the thumb and let's draw an angled line down and another one underneath. And then close it off at the ends. Now let's hop up on top of the hands and we're going to draw an oval, leaving the end open. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve. And then a curve up and out on both ends. And then close off the ends with a line down. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw 2 curves down. And the same on the right side. Now let's add the feet by drawing a larger curve across the bottom. Then let's bring it down from the inside. And then from the outside, let's curve it out and down. And close it off with a curve across. Now inside, let's add another curve. And an angled line. And add some lines inside for the shoelaces. Now underneath, let's add the soles of the shoes. Let's draw a line down from the front and back. And then close it off at the bottom. And that's it for Cappuccino Assassino. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!